Just plop it out, and if it gets stuck, just use a scissors. And then if that's in there, peel off. And assistant. Hello. Well, now just clean up, like, my assistant, and I'll take this dough and start rolling it. Then, since my assistant did that, I'm now just going to cut some of the parts that don't show off. Then I'm just going to cut off some of it, and that, and then look at the back, and it's all clean. Then you're just gonna take it. Then I'm just gonna take it, run it like right around his foot. You're just going to roll it into a ball, like this. And then you're just going to open it, and then you're just going to place it right. Then you're just going to take it and kind of mush it out a little, and you're just going to place it. And you're just going to place it right on the beak. So you have a different beak. Then you're just going to take all of it. Then my assistant will now just start rolling this into a ball. Wait, no. Then I'm just going to take this and just start doing that. And then my assistant is going to roll it into a ball.